everyone, I'm here today to do a quick color comparison for you. I have Tressallure Velvet Cream and Jon Renau 1026 TT, which is also called Fortune Cookie. So Mia is this one right here, the curly one. That is the Velvet Cream. That's a Tressallure wig. And this one over here, the straight one, wherever my finger is, right there, that is Amelia. And that is the Fortune Cookie 1026 TT. And since I have both of these, and I think they're very similar in color, I thought I'd show them together. And so thanks to some wig sisters who were so generous and donated these mannequin heads to me, I'm going to use them as much as I can and do some color comparisons when I can. So let's just get into this video so that you can see these two colors side by side and my impressions of them, because I do think they are very, very similar. So let's turn them around so you can see the hair fibers without the face getting in the way. All right, so we've got a couple of what I would consider dark blonde wigs. Some may call them light brown. This is another one of those situations where it's your own perspective that really makes a difference. And as a brunette and a natural brunette, my hair is dark brown naturally. These are very blonde to my eye. Now, a 10, which is in the Fortune Cookie and the straight wig, a 10 is a medium light brown. Brown ends at a 12. So you can get a sense of, you know, how light that brown is. And then a 26 is a golden blonde. And I think both of these do have a golden blonde in them. Mia, I don't have color codes on. They don't provide the color codes, so I really don't know what the codes are for the colors in Mia. But what I see are very similar blonde tones. Mia probably has a 12 brunette in it as a base, is my guess. So in this shot, you can really see how much the dark on the underside kind of pokes through those lighter colors, which Mia doesn't have. So as I manipulate the hair fibers, you'll really see that. So you can see. Now it looks a little bit darker on film here on camera. It's a 10, so it's not a dark brown. It's definitely not super dark, and it's not a super extreme contrast. It's actually very natural. It does look like salon color because you've got those lighter colors on top. So it looks like you've had some highlighting done. Whereas on Mia, that's not the case at all. So let's get a little bit closer up and let's look at the hair from the top, because that's where I think they look the most similar. So here's a shot from the top, and as you can see, they're very similar. I probably should have brought a stool with me so I could really get up high. Keep in mind, when these videos are being filmed, we're putting a lot of light on the hair because that way the camera can really pick up the color. They're not really shiny. They may appear somewhat shiny due to the amount of light on them. Now when I come down here, can you see what I mean? This top is a lot lighter. And then you've got that darker nape. It's just really pretty, so natural looking. And then here's more close up where you can really see that there's a little bit of the darker kind of down below on the top. So we've got this top layer that's more highlighted. And Mia is just a little bit better blended all throughout, but you do see some of the lighter blonde right there. So I would say if you're looking for something that's closer to a very light brown, Probably the Fortune Cookie fits that bill a little bit better than Mia, but they're very, very similar. Mia is beautiful. And then there's that little bit of a darker nape. And then one more look from the front, where you can see that they're just really similar. It's kind of hard with, you know, comparing a curly and a straight wig and a wig that has bangs with a wig that doesn't. But they're just, I think, really similar to each other. Very beautiful colors. I see golden. They're both very golden. They're warm, just super pretty. Dark blonde or a sort of dark blonde, light brown mix. Very pretty. If you're a brunette, I would say these are going to feel blonde to you, and you may want rooting. So stay tuned. I just filmed a video today where I have another Mia in this exact color, and I rooted it, and it looks amazing, and it really changed the appearance. I'm not sure what order these will get posted, so you can look for that video. I'll link it in the description if it's out already. If it's not and there's no link in the description, stay tuned for that, because if you're a brunette and you'd love to try a color like this, but you're afraid it's going to be too light, then you're going to want to see how much you can impact a light wig with just some rooting with furniture markers or Copic markers. They work awesome, and I do it a lot. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. It was real quick, but I just wanted to get these colors together for you. Thanks for watching.